Hey,
What?
they talking about would you like to go to rednecks for paychecks?
I would.
You
Because my
would?
brothers, they were going to do that, but they never got to.
Who did?
My brothers, they were wanting to do that. I mean, did anybody get hurt? Did you get hurt?
No, I ain't get hurt. Why you gonna get hurt? How would I get hurt out there?
Well, you know all those big trucks going through the mud race?
Yeah.
No.
You don't get hurt out here. Yeah. Lemonade here? Yeah. I mixed all mine. Have you ever seen two girls with one cup? No rough irons. What's that, a mango? Mango lemonade. Damn. I almost dropped my shit. Hey, nigga, when I felt that. Yeah, but it went down. Yeah. Really. There wasn't that many cars here, but
I used to go to the QC all the time. I used to see a lot of cars. I didn't know that was going
where's Cox?
No, I'm good.
Wait, hold up. I've been going here since I was little, probably about 6 or 7, I remember. I think I was like 10, 12.
Tesla used to go to the one halls.
You know about that track? Why am I screaming from the mouth? Yeah, how it feel? I don't know. I ain't really have nowhere planned. I might try to go test the Mustang tomorrow and go to XOP. Yeah. Like the state first. He came. That ass came on one of the days where it was real loud. Look. I might just go take it.
I'm a driver that's picking up tomorrow. My appointment was at
Tighten up
10:30.
on fuel line.
I had till 2 in the morning to come pick up. Is that true? You gonna leave?
No.
I'll be right back.
I left my backpack over there. No, that's still over there. Oh, white boy still over them little drops of red sauce, you can take them home.
Man, I know, man. I was ahead. I'm ahead now about 35 hours. I was ahead. Come on, man. I can't. Somebody saw me now.
Hey, the live flying up her foot.
Hey, look out.
Oh yeah. Hey, and then I had put some more shit on there before I had got here. You ought to see that mug. I got you in that mug tray. You gonna trip out.
That's me.
Oh man, what the heck? Oh, this nigga that took my drink.
Hey, nah, he wasn't trying to.
I was like, shit.
He wasn't trying to fuck with that 500, bro. I said we can go over there. We can go over easy. You may as well give it to me now.
What's up, man?
That white 5.0 and that smoke gray all-wheel drive turbo BMW. Remember? Old school with the blue cap on. He was tapping, bro. Let me run in my semi. I got you. You know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. He was tapping. I was ready to go set it up for him. Easy 5. Everybody's talking, I'll patch up with you, bro. I'm like, yeah, you can, shit. Just to
Hey man, he can let that same dude, if he gonna take off, he can give me.
He was saying that 5.0 can outrun that turbo BMW. Not head up.
Yeah, but he
You know what white 5.0 you talking about? It can't beat that turbo BMW head up.
Tonight I give it a 7.5.
They got their tires on. Hey, say, look, that old Chandler went put the tires on that bitch.
I don't know what happened.
Chandler